You've probably heard of the phrase being loved to the point of invention, and that is the kind of story behind the bendy straw. Wait a minute, was something so simple really a big deal? Actually, yes, the first paper straw was completely straight, and that was exactly the problem with the design, which Joseph Friedman saw as well. He took his daughter out for a sweet treat at a soda fountain, but she couldn't enjoy her milkshake. The glass was too tall, and the straight straw wouldn't bend towards her, so he decided to do something about it. He inserted a screw into the straw and wrapped dental floss around the grooves. The paper now had corrugations. It could bend without collapsing. In 1937, he patented it as a drinking tube. 2 years later, he started the Flex Straw Company to mass produce it. His first big customers were hospitals. Patients lying down could easily drink without lifting their heads. It was even used in therapy to strengthen oral muscles, a big improvement over the fragile glass tubes it replaced. A simple, corrugated bend, inspired by a child struggling with a milkshake, became a small but globally significant design improvement.